Good morning, students. Saira. Children, this is the sixth video which is based on chapter Refraction of Light. And today we will be having some numericals. Today you will learn numericals which are based on lens formula. First, I am telling you the sign convention for lenses. As you all are knowing that the lens formula is 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equals to 1 by F, where V is the image distance, U is the object distance, and F is the focal length of lens. This you are already knowing. Now, I am telling you about the sign convention. Now, it is clear that whenever the object is placed on left side of image object, or we can say when the object is placed on the left side of lens, then all the distances which we are measuring on the left hand side of mirror, they will be having minus sign, and on the right side of lens it will be positive. Okay, so because object is placed on the left side, so the object distance is always negative. U is always negative for concave and convex lens. Second case is for image distance. Image distance will be negative. It will be negative when it is real. Okay, and if it is virtual image, or if we are saying if it is the image is forming, if the image is forming above the principal axis, that means if it is placed, means the image is forming on left hand side, then it will be virtual and erect and it will be negative. But if the image is forming behind the lens, or we can say right hand side of lens, then it will be real and it will be positive. Now focal length for convex lens is always positive, and the focal length of concave lens is always negative. So all these things you have to learn, because these things are important for numericals. Now the first numerical which we are solving here, that is, an object is placed at a distance of 50 centimeters from a concave lens of focal length 20 centimeters. Find the nature and position of the image. Now in this question, first we have to read the question carefully and then we have to find out which values are given. So here it is said that object is placed. So this 50 centimeter, it will be the object distance. And we know that object is always placed on left hand side. So we are taking this distance as minus 50. Now focal length is given as 20 centimeter. Now children, first see which type of lens it is. It is concave lens. And concave lens is having focal length in negative. So this will be minus 20 centimeters. Now you want to find out nature and position. For this you have to find out the value of V. Now to solve this numerical, we are using the lens formula. 1 by V minus 1 by U is equals to 1 by F. When we are putting the values of V, U, F, all the values which are given in question, when we are putting these values, then we are getting V is equals to minus 100 by 7, which is equals to minus 14.3 centimeters. So here we have got the position of image 14.3 centimeters. But what will be the nature? Nature will be virtual and erect, because it is having minus sign. This minus sign is showing that the image is forming on left hand side of the lens. So it will be virtual and erect. Now one more numerical I am giving you. A pencil of height 14 centimeters is placed in front of a converging lens. An inverted real image of height 43 centimeters is seen on the other side of the lens. What is the magnification of the lens? Children, here converging lens is given. So what will be converging lens? Concave or convex? It will be convex lens. And height of the object is given. The object is pencil, its height is 14 centimeter. and the height of image is also given, it is minus 43 centimeters. And we have to find out the value of magnification. When heights are given, then we are putting the formula for magnification as m is equals to hi upon ho. Means m, magnification is equals to height of image by height of object. After putting the values, we are getting it as minus 3.07. So magnification of this lens is minus 3.07. Next numerical is the magnification produced by a spherical lens is plus 0.75. What is the nature of image? What is the nature of lens? Now here nature of image will be virtual and erect because the magnification is positive. So magnification is positive means image will form above the principal axis. It will be virtual and erect. And what will be the nature of lens? M is positive and the value of M magnification is less than 1. Less than 1 means the image is smaller or diminished, and concave lens form the diminished or smaller images. So nature of lens will be concave lens. Next numerical is if an object of 7 cm height is placed at a distance of 12 cm from a convex lens of focal length 8 cm, find the nature, height and position of image. Now here in this question, if we are finding out the given part, it is the 7 cm height, object of 7 cm height. So object height is 7 cm. So we have written here HO, that is 7 cm. Object is placed at a distance of 12 cm. So object distance U is 12 because it is having U is always in negative. So we are writing minus 12 cm. Focal length is 8. So F is 8. It is convex lens. So it will be plus 8. Now we have to find out the nature, height and position. Means to find out nature and position, we will find out V, and for height, we will find out height of image, HI. Now by lens formula, we are already knowing that V1 minus V minus 1 by U is equals to 1 by V minus 1 by U is equals to 1 by F. And by putting the values, we are getting V as 24 centimeters. Now magnification. Magnification is having formula V by U, that is equals to HI upon HO. By putting the values of H, V, U, HI and HO, then we are getting HI as 14 centimeters, that is a negative sign. So because H is having negative sign, it means the image is forming below the principal axis, so it will be real and inverted, and size will be 14 centimeters. Next numerical is a convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter is placed at a distance of 12 centimeters from a wall. How far from the lens should an object be placed so that or so as to form its real image on the wall? Now in this question, the given part is V is plus 12 centimeters. F is plus 10 centimeters because it is convex lens, and we have to find out the object distance U. So we are just putting the formula, lens formula, 1 by V minus 1 by U is equals to 1 by F. The value which we are knowing, these values we are putting, and then we are getting V as minus 60 centimeters. So the object should be placed at a distance of 60 centimeters from the convex lens. Numerical number 6 is the power of a lens is plus 2.5 D or diopter. What kind of lens it is and what is its focal length? Children, in this question power is given, and power is having formula P is equals to 1 by F, where focal length should be in meters. So when we are putting the value of power 2.5, then F will be having value 100 by 2.5. Here in place of 1 meter we have written 100 centimeters. So f focal length will be 40 centimeter and it is positive value. Because it is having positive sign, and positive signs which lens is having? Convex lens. So nature of lens will be convex lens. Next is find the power of concave lens of focal length 2 meters. Now here focal length is given as minus 2 meters. Minus we have taken because of concave lens. So power is having formula 1 by f. So we are putting the values. P is equals to 1 upon minus 2. So P will be equals to minus 0.5 D or diopter. Now children, after solving these numericals, I am giving you home assignment. Define one diopter power of lens. Which type of lens has positive power and negative power? What is the power of convex lens of focal length? 0.5 meters. What is the nature of lens whose power is minus 4D? And the last one is name the physical quantity whose unit is diopter. So children, do practice of numericals also, because numericals are also important in this chapter. Now thank you. Sai Ram.